Hello guys, here is my new project. I recently cooked the store-bought pumpkin and it was so tasty that I thought I will keep the seeds for it. So what I did, I took all the seeds, not all the seeds, but few of the seeds, and without cleaning them, I put them into a bag and locked it. So it has little bit of moisture. So what I'm seeing after 2 days that it sprouted. So I have an idea and I'm going to experiment and see if I can get successful with that. I'm going to plant it today and it is August 20th, and wait and see if I could grow them by the Halloween time. If not, I'm going to clean and dry rest of my seeds and try them next year again. So I'm going to plant them on August 20th. So I'm going to plant them here. Let me dig some hole and put some water. It's hard to do video in one hand and work on with the other, but I'm managing somehow. Do you see the tail, the sprouts, the tail right there? I don't want to go too deep. I want to keep it on surface, and I'm going to plant 4 of them. Here goes the second one. Third. And the last one here. So let's see how it goes. Keep planting, keep growing, have fun. Thank you.